Today, we're diving into the Savvy Saver's Guide, how to get free food from DoorDash. Now, before you start thinking this is too good to be true, let me walk you through some legitimate methods that won't get you in trouble. First off, let's talk about DoorDash promotions. DoorDash often offers promotions for new users, such as free delivery or discounts on your first few orders. These promotions are a fantastic way to save money and maybe even score some free meals, depending on the promotion size and your order amount. Next, consider the referral program. By referring friends to DoorDash, you can earn credits towards your meals. When your friends sign up and place their first order, you'll typically get a referral credit added to your account. These credits can add up quickly if you have a wide social network. Another avenue to explore is participating in DoorDash surveys or partner offers. Occasionally, DoorDash or its partners may offer bonuses, discounts, or free food in exchange for completing surveys or signing up for free trials. Always read the fine print to ensure you're not inadvertently signing up for a service you don't want long-term. DoorDash contests and social media giveaways are also worth attention. DoorDash periodically runs contests or giveaways on their social media platforms where you can win credits, discounts, or free meals. Following their social media accounts ensures you're in the loop for these opportunities. Lastly, consider checking online for discount and coupon sites. Sometimes you can find DoorDash promo codes that offer substantial savings or even free deliveries. However, make sure you're using reputable sites to avoid scams. In conclusion, getting free food from DoorDash requires a combination of using promotions wisely, taking advantage of the referral program, participating in surveys or offers, staying alert to contests and giveaways, and scouting for discount codes. Remember, while finding ways to save or get free food is smart, always ensure you're respecting DoorDash's policies and terms of use to enjoy these benefits legitimately. Thank you for watching. Whether you're a food delivery veteran or a newcomer to DoorDash, understanding how to maximize your savings and possibly snag some free food can enhance your experience. Stay savvy and happy ordering.